guys, we are headed off to Whistler. It is super hot out today, 40 degrees. It's just super hot. So we decided to go get some AC at the hotels, and we got 2-day passes to Joffre Lakes for tomorrow. Day passes are required right now. They are turning people around who don't have them. So we have stopped by in Squamish and we are stopping at Freshies for lunch. We are so hungry. We will be in Whistler in approximately an hour or so. So just grabbing a snack. Hopefully it won't be too busy since it is Sunday today. Everybody's heading home for the weekend. So I'll see you at the hotel. So here we are in Whistler. We just arrived at our hotel. It is the Les Chamois. It is close to the Blackcomb gondola, so if you guys wanted to take a look at that place, right now they had a really amazing deal. This is not a paid promotion, but anyways, if you guys, I'm not 100% sure how far we are away from the Whistler town, and we do not know what we're going to do today, but hopefully we will be going to the lake. My fiance has plans for Lost Lake. We'll take a look at that. Before that, we're just checking in right now, and we got to bring all our food and all our supplies in. So this is our room tour. Right by the door there is a washroom, a beautiful washroom. Here is the master bedroom. Got a TV, and here is the washroom for the master bedroom. And this is a full kitchen they have here, so this is pretty sweet. This is going to be really useful for our cooking. So we are back at our hotel and we are gonna go grab a bite right now. Tomorrow is going to be an early morning. We want to wake up very early just so we don't have to hit sunrise, obviously, and it's just gonna be super beautiful. So just wait and see what's gonna happen next. I am going to jump in Joffre Lakes glacier water. It's so cold, but tomorrow's gonna be the hottest day of the year. Hello, so we are starting our hike into Joffre Lakes. It's gonna be super hot. Probably gonna take a dip at the Joffre Lakes. So my fiance is getting eaten alive by a whole bunch of mosquitoes, and she regrets that she did not bring bug spray, all because I didn't want to stop to a local Walmart to go purchase some. So that was my bad. So this is the first lake. I can't wait till the third lake. It's gonna be so beautiful. The river is pushing really hard. It's super hot out, so this hike is so deadly. So we are here at the second spot. It is so beautiful. The hike is really hard. This is the second lake here. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that view. And that's actually the color of the lake. There's no filters or anything on this video. I am going to jump in the water and I'm going to turn my GoPro into water mode because right now it has a big fluffy thing on the microphone. So we are headed to Third Lake now. Look at that rush. It's so hot today. It is flooded everywhere. The ice is just melting way too fast. So we are finished at Third Lake. We are headed back now. It is so hot, but the lake's keeping us cool, so it's pretty breezy. It's pretty nice. See you back at the hotel. So as you can see, this is my first full vlog. If you enjoyed my video, please comment down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.